Hey guys, it's Antony from Just Keep It Fresh, and today I want to be covering this car in the aspect of two terms, P and P over here, which means preserve and protect. Now, a lot of people who buy older vehicles, you probably just want to get by from A to B. So for you, this is not probably very relevant, but I'll tell you what is relevant. People like this customer who's bought this RS4, what they've bought was a piece of history. It's heritage, right? And I'll tell you why. This RS4 over here is not just any RS4 in Australia. This customer actually bought it from a friend in Brisbane who actually imported this car from Scotland all the way to Australia to have this car here. And just to show you that it's a one-of-a-kind car, it has a one-of-a-kind color. So this color is not a standard color that you can actually get in Australia. This one is specifically from Scotland. So this is a one-of-a-kind car with a one-of-a-kind color driving around in Australia. And so what the customer wanted was to preserve his car and protect it as well. Protect it from the Australian sun, Australian weather, and the contamination that you can get in Australia, but also preserve the car through our coating to be able to preserve this beautiful paintwork that is not standard in Australia. Now, this car is also really special because if you have a look at the inside, these bucket seats, man, it almost looked like it's a bucket seat from 2 years ago only. Like, it's pretty modern for a car that's this old. Let's see how old this car is. I can't tell, but I'm sure it's over 20 years old, so that's something. The steering wheel also looks very, very R8-esque, very similar to the R8 when you first got it. So this car, again, has so much heritage. And what we're gonna do is, this is the end product. If you guys have any questions on how we got that done, you can always look at our other videos that are more informative on how we can get rid of those scratches and swirl marks and so on. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment below. If you like this kind of content, give us a like. And if you like to see more of our content, stay subscribed to our channel at Just Keep It Fresh. And remember guys, just keep it fresh.